Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad ZAFRAN, and today we are presenting with two car between Toyota Avanza 1.3 comes with manual transmission and Proton Suprema and Turbo.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak.
Okay, so first of all, we start with Toyota Avanza with the manual transmission. So actually, this car use the manual transmission, but have two types of oil, which is for the differential gear and then the manual transmission. So the gearbox position is a vertical position compared with the automatic one. It is vertical position. So let me explain about the basic impression of the manual transmission. So as I said, this car have 5 speeds. So the gears in the gearbox have also 5 type, which is gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, gear 4 and gear 5. So if the driver change the gear from gear 1 to gear 2, because of the gear 1 locate at the main shaft, and the gear 2 locate to another shaft, so the gears will transfer from gear 1 to gear 2. It will connect them and make it and that's how the gear 2 can be used by the driver.
My name is HAMIZAN, and I will be explaining about the manual transmission. So how does the manual transmission work? It comes with a shifter and clutch. So the driver will select the gear manually. So the manual transmission work with pressure plate, clutch and flywheel to engage and disengage the transmission from the engine. The pressure plate and the flywheel is connected to the engine. However, the clutch is sandwiched between them and split the transmission into the input shaft. So manual transmission comes with different gear knob from the automatic transmission to select. For the driver to select gear, and it comes with 3 pedal, which is clutch pedal, brake pedal and gas pedal.
Hi, what's up guys? My name is Faiz Farhan. Okay, for this Suprema S, this vehicle use 1.6 liter cam pro turbo Dodge 14, and for its transmission, it is used CVT manumatic with 7-speed continuous variable. And this vehicle has been manufactured during early 2013 and it stopped production on late 2015.
Hello, my name is SHASIVAREN. Today I want to explain about the CVT transmission on Suprema S Proton model. So for the CVT transmission system, is a unique transmission compared to other car transmission, because other car transmission using the traditional transmission compared to the CVT. In the traditional transmission is use gear mechanism in the transmission, but for the CVT transmission is use pulley and belt system, as known as chain system in the transmission CVT. For the pulley system, it is used 2 pulley in the CVT transmission, which is primary transmission and secondary transmission. For the primary pulley, is just connect to the engine, and the secondary pulley is just connect to the output. So when we pedal up our car, the primary pulley will getting bigger, and the secondary pulley will change into small diameter. For the low speed, the primary pulley will get smaller and the secondary pulley will get bigger. So for the advantage of the CVT system, this transmission built for the fuel economical purpose, not for the performance purpose. For that why we need to use this transmission system for fuel economical purpose only, not for the performance wise. If we use for performance wise, the transmission will damage soonly and will make many costs to rebuild the transmission system. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm gonna continue the presentation. So today I'm gonna talk about the comparison between Toyota Avanza 2004 with a Proton Suprema S 2015. Next, as we can see at the table, there are many features that we compare between the Toyota Avanza and Proton Suprema. First comparison, which is a transmission type. Toyota Avanza use 4-speed automatic. Meanwhile, Proton Suprema use CVT, which is continuously variable transmission. So for the gear ratios, the Toyota Avanza use a fixed gear ratios and Proton Suprema use a simulated gear ratios. And next, for the number of gears, Toyota, as we all know, for the 4-speed automatic, it has a 4-speed gear. Meanwhile, the Proton Suprema has a 6-speed gear speed. So for the drivetrain, Toyota Avanza use a rear wheel drive, meanwhile Proton Suprema use a front wheel drive. So for the fuel efficiency, Toyota Avanza has a lower fuel efficiency due to older technology, and Proton Suprema generally better fuel efficiency due to the CVT and latest technology. So for the performance, as we all know, Toyota Avanza has a slower acceleration and less responsive while driving. Meanwhile, the Proton Suprema has a smoother acceleration and better responsiveness while driving. And next and lastly, for the shifting, Toyota Avanza can be jerky and imprecise, especially at low speed. Meanwhile, Proton Suprema has a smooth and seamless shifting while driving. That's all from me. Thank you.